Welcome, O Harmony of Hope. Today I will share a story on facing failure and building resilience with the story of the broken pot. A young potter named Ravi sits in a small workshop. Broken shards of a clay pot lie scattered on the floor. His hands are stained with clay, his face heavy with disappointment. Ravi was a gifted potter who dreamed of crafting the most beautiful pot his village had ever seen. He worked tirelessly, shaping the clay with care, pouring his heart into every detail. But one day, as he lifted the pot from the kiln, it slipped and shattered on the floor. Ravi picks up the broken pieces, with trembling hands. Failure hit Ravi hard. He couldn't stop replaying the moment in his mind, wondering what he could have done differently. He felt as if his dream had shattered with the pot. Ravi sits by a riverbank. An elderly woman, known for her wisdom, approaches and sits beside him. Asks Ravi why he looks so defeated. Ravi sighs, holding up a shard of the broken pot. I failed. Everything I worked for is gone. The woman picks up the shard, turning it in her hands, thoughtfully. She smiles gently. And says, this shard is not the end of your work. It's the beginning of something new. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the process. Do you know how the strongest pots are made? Ravi looks at her, curious. They're fired in the hottest flames, just like this clay will be reshaped by your persistence. The question isn't whether you failed, it's what you will do with it. Ravi's face shifts from despair to thoughtfulness. He begins gathering the broken pieces. Taking her words to heart, Ravi returned to his craft. Instead of discarding the broken pot, he used its shards to create something new, a mosaic vase. Piece by piece, he transformed his failure into a work of art. On the day of the village festival, Ravi unveiled his creation. The crowd marveled at its beauty, but more importantly, Ravi had discovered something greater, resilience. He learned that failure wasn't the end, it was a step toward growth. Remember, failure is not a closed door, but a stepping stone. Each setback is an opportunity to rebuild, stronger and wiser. What will you create from your broken pieces today? Thank you for joining us on Harmony of Hope. May your resilience turn every shard into a masterpiece. Like, share, comment and subscribe for more inspirational stories, insights and reminders to start each day with peace and purpose.